Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and Dlaminis on Monday, Sibongile is taken aback when Nomalanga unexpectedly appears at her dorm. The Induna arrives with a message for Vuma and it doesn't look good for Deliwe. On Tuesday, it's a game over as the chickens come home to roost for Nomalanga and she is forced to admit her crimes in front of the family. Is it the end of the road for Deliwe, who has just been told that she needs another place to call home? On Wednesday, Peteni has a showdown with Nomfundo. Velepi and Sangweni try to leave to be with their mother. Kwenzo is shocked when he sees Sibongile kissing someone else. Thank you for watching.